What's up, YouTube? Another bike check. My Ironhorse $40 bike. And that's what I call it, my $40 bike. Let's take a look at it. Wanna ride bikes, wanna ride bikes. Wanna ride bikes, wanna ride bikes. Wanna ride bikes, wanna ride bikes. Smash that button and give me some likes. Wanna ride bikes, wanna ride bikes. Smash that button and give me some likes. Wanna ride bikes, wanna ride bikes. 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 Smash that button and give me some likes. Wanna ride bikes, wanna ride bikes. Smash that button and give me some likes. Wanna ride bikes, wanna ride bikes. Smash that button and give me some likes. Okay, what we got here is a 26-inch wheel rim on Ironhorse Desperado. We're going to start with the cockpit. We have some Titec boo bars, concrete headset, them zoom brakes, Orbea grips, and right here we go down. We got bomber forks wrapped with a specialized tire on a Mavic 729 disc rim. I forget what hub that is. That might be the Mavic hub. Now, as you can see, there's dirt on here because it fell. We got this right here, as you can see. This with the spacers is like that, so it is correct. I tried to lower that and it put the offset different, so I don't care how it looks as long as it works. Now if we go back to here, the stock Fox fork with, I believe that was a Titec seat post with this Prologo seat. I got this off of a friend for $3. This is the bike I got hit on, so I had to buy a new saddle. Now back to this. I put on the Race Face Evolve XC crankset because the crankset was pretty beat. Single pivot. I got a giant seat post clamp. And in the back I got that Olivio Shimano, followed with a Michelin tire wrapped with a DM9024 rim. I have no idea. That's a Mavic rim. You might want to know what those are. Dollar store cutting boards. You get 2 of them for $1. Made fenders. There is nothing special about this bike. This bike was $40. And all I'm in for it was $60 for the brakes, $3 for that, $30 for the handlebars. So yeah, I'm a little up on this bike, but I'll tell you what, for as little this bike is, I ride this the most because it's so easy and accessible and so fun to run around with. Well, that's my little bike check. I hope you like it. And you know what to do. Get on your bike and send that sucker and ride it out.